Basic ohm meter 8500. It is used to check the low resistances. Here, after switching it on, keep it on for 15 minutes to get the instruments form. You will be provided with a probe, easy usage probe. You can just insert it here, anti-clockwise input. After 15 minutes, just short these two clamps. See, basically the black and the black should be at the downside and the red should be at the upside. Just short it. After getting here, you will be able to see a short pulse press set. Go for press set. The instrument is getting to set 0. Now the instrument is ready to work. Basically this instrument can work in either two ways. You can go for error mode and for resistance mode. Either of the two. If you go for resistance mode, you will just be able to see the resistance of the resistor. You can just go to set. Its testing mode is auto. Basically whenever you connect the resistor, directly it will show the reading of a resistor. Just put it exit. Take any of the resistors. Right now I am having a resistor of 12 ohms. It's not the perfectly 12. Just connect the instrument. You will be able to see the reading of 11.768. That means the instrument, the resistor is having a resistance of 11.770 ohms, and the instrument is basically aluminium, so that's why it's not AU. It's basically, the instrument contains few ranges from range 1 to range 6. This is from range 4 of 20 ohms because you are able to see the reading of 11.772, so it's the range 4 is 20 ohms. Now we will go for error mode. Basically that error mode is used to check out whether the instrument passes the test or it doesn't pass this test. That means it failed the test. For this mode you can just put set. The sub button is used to select different modes. Right now I'm going for this error mode. Put set, go for auto mode. Now basically this is setting the values. You can set different values for different ranges. Like you can go for range 6, range 7, range 8. You will be able to see different ranges here. So right now we want a range where we can go for ohms and 2 digits. That is 11 ohms. We'll go for range 5. Here I have set to 12 ohms. You can set the range by just going this one. You will be able to see I can change the digits as per my requirement. So I have just changed it to 12. The 12 isn't set, 12 ohms. I'll go for that. Then the error, basically the percentage error. You want the instrument, the resistor to get beyond like 10% of error, 12% of error, positive side or negative side. That means 10% above the 11, 10% below the 11. I have set for 0.50 percentage. I will go for 10%, set 20% for P2 and different and so on. I can exit this mode by just clicking on exit. Here you will be able to see a red blink been going on, which is showing the instrument has passed the test. Basically the resistor is within the limit, having an error of 1.87%. So the resistor is 11.78 as I have set it to 12. The grading is 1. If it would be error number 2, then it would be grading 2. The resistor is made of aluminium. This metal is of aluminium. You can basically go for one more setting. That is, if you want an horn on an alarm, you can go for this one. You can change to alarm. Go for set and exit. You will be able to see you will be able to hear the noise right now. This is the way you should use this instrument to check whether the resistor passes the test or not. Thank you.